Hello algebra students, seekers of general truths. We continue our work here with solving inequalities, but with slightly more complicated examples. So in the next problem here, we have w minus -4 is less than 8. So one thing we can do is just simplify the left side. To subtract a negative number is the same thing as adding that number. Subtracting -4 is the same thing as adding 4. So this inequality is really w plus 4 is less than 8. Then we want to subtract 4 from both sides because we want to isolate w, and we get w is less than 4. All right. Our number line will look as follows. We have the number 4 on there, an open circle, and then an arrow going to the left because it is strictly less than 4. All right, in this problem over here, number 6, we have variables on both the left side and the right side of the inequality. So we're gonna do this in a way that produces a positive r. All right, so remember that we want to isolate the variable, in this case r, and we want to get a positive r. So that's important, right? We could add 6r to both sides, or we could add 7r to both sides. But adding 7r to both sides works better in this case because, as you will see, we'll be able to get a positive r on one side of the inequality. So -7r and positive 7r gives you 0. The 7 is still there. And then -6r and positive 7r will give you positive 1r. And then my next step, let me change colors here so you can see clearly what I'm doing. I'm just subtracting 7 from both sides. All right. And subtracting 7 from both sides, I get r on the left and -7 on the right. So r is less than or equal to -7. And to graph this, let's try that again. To graph this, here's my number line. Here's my number -7. And r is our variable. It's less than or equal to, so we have a filled in dot and then an arrow going to the left side. And there you have it, a couple more, slightly more complicated examples of how to solve linear inequalities with addition and subtraction. Thank you for watching. Ask for help if you need it, and have a wonderful day.